Europe's most trusted name in industrial safety, is now growing even stronger roots in the US. Troax is the world's largest producer of industrial guarding products. With our new manufacturing capabilities in Chicago, we will reinforce our growth position in the North American market. This investment will enable us to improve our market responsiveness and solidify the overall customer experience. With the new Chicago production line, Troax will be able to streamline the supply of its core items. We can also offer new products like the 2,500 millimeter tall panel. Specialty custom solutions can now be manufactured and delivered in weeks instead of months. Special sizes and special colors are no problem. The manufacturing will take advantage of a highly automated system, which will be one of the most advanced of its kind. This production will be complemented by warehousing and distribution, also out of Chicago. Troax is proudly continuing the protection of people, property, and processes, and we're doing it with pride, right here in the USA.